Okay guys, so today I will show you how to fix requested URL was not found on the server. So what we need to do is we need to change permalinks on your WordPress website. Okay, so log into your WordPress website, click on settings and click on permalinks. In permalinks you need to select custom structure. Here you can select post name and click on save changes. Now let's check if we have fixed it. Yeah, here is the page. Okay guys, so and if you really want something stable, then you should use Cloudways Autonomous. This is a great feature from Cloudways, what they offer. So when your website grows, Cloudways prevents traffic spikes, so it makes to run your website more stable. So really amazing tool guys, recommend you to try it. As you can see, I'm also using Cloudways. Here is the dashboard. So if you want to join, just use a coupon code and get a discount. Use exclusive coupon, what you can see on the screen, and let's join Cloudway. To get future updates, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please comment under this video. Have a nice day guys, bye.